डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं व्हाट आर रेशनल नंबर्स, टू प्रूव रूट 2 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर, व्हाट आर रियल नंबर्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट आर इरेशनल नंबर्स. You know a number line. Suppose this is a number line. On this number line, you know what are rational numbers. Rational numbers can be written in P upon Q form, where P and Q belongs to integers and Q is not equal to 0. So which numbers are included in rational numbers? These are the integers, positive integers, negative integers and 0, and there are fractions 2 upon 3, minus 5 upon 8. These numbers, we know how to show these numbers on a number line. Now suppose 0, 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2, -3, and suppose this number is this is 3 upon 2. So we know how to show the integers and fractions on a number line. Now the numbers other than these rational numbers, these are all rational numbers. The numbers other than rational numbers on this number line are called irrational numbers. There are two types of numbers on this number line: rational numbers, and the numbers which are not rational numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, now we have to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Now we have to prove that square root of 2 is an irrational number. Now we will prove this theorem, or we will prove this property by indirect proof. Through indirect proof. Now what is indirect proof? You know that in indirect proof, first we assume what we have not to prove. जो हमें प्रूव करना होता है वो हम अज्यूम नहीं करते, उसका कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी हम अज्यूम करते हैं, एंड देन एक पॉइंट पे वो जो हमारा एजम्पशन है वो रॉन्ग प्रूव हो जाता है, इसलिए जो हमने अज्यूम नहीं किया वो सही होता है. आइए उस इनडायरेक्ट मेथड से, इनडायरेक्ट प्रूफ मेथड से हम ये प्रूव करते हैं. तो प्रूफ लेट, इसका जो प्रूव करना है उसका हम अपोजिट जो है वो अज्यूम करेंगे कि लेट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 is a rational number. Suppose this is a rational number. Now if it is a rational number, then you know that rational number can be written in P upon Q form. Therefore square root of 2 equals to P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. Now suppose P upon Q is in the reduced form. It is in the reduced form. reduced form समझते हो ना आप, कि जहाँ पे और कोई उनको डिवाइड, और किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते अदर देन 1, और किसी नंबर की टेबल नहीं लगती. सो सपोज P upon Q is in the reduced form, and so P upon Q have only common factor 1, yeah, only 1 as a common factor, उनका common factor only 1 है, because it is in the reduced form. Now root 2 equals to P upon Q. Square root of 2 equals to P upon Q. Now we will square both sides. Therefore root 2 square, that is 2, square root of 2, this square is 2, equals to P square upon Q square, and therefore transferring Q square on the left side, therefore 2Q square equals to P square. Okay, now 2Q square equals to P square. Here P square equals to 2Q square, P square equals to 2Q square, so P square is even. Why is P square even? Because there is 2 is a factor of P square. example, p square equals to 2q square. Example, 8 square equals to, suppose 8 square is 64, so 8 square is 2 into 32. Now 2 is the factor of 8 square, therefore 8 square is even. Any number who has 2 as a factor, that number is even. Therefore now p square is even, and therefore p is also even. Example, 8 square is even, therefore 8 is also even. So if any number square, if that is even, then that number is also even. In the same way, if p square is even, therefore p is also even. And so p is even, so 2 is a factor. 2 is a factor of p. This is point number 1. Two is a factor of p, therefore p equals to 2t. Suppose 2 is one factor and other factor is t. Now if p equals to 2t, squaring both sides, therefore p square equals to 4t square, and therefore now p square equals to 4t square. We know that p square equals to 2q square. We have proved p square equals to 2q square, therefore instead of p square we will write 2q square. So 2q square equals to 4t square, dividing both sides by 2, therefore q square equals to 2t square. 2t square. Now again you see that 2 is a factor of q square, therefore q square is even. 2 is a factor of q square, therefore q square is even, and q square is even, therefore q is also even. Q is also even, and if q is even, then 2 is a factor. 2 is a factor of q. This is point number 2. Now in point number 1 we have seen that 2 is a factor of p, and here 2 is a factor of q. 2 is common factor of p and q, and what we have assumed earlier, that p upon q have only one common factor, p upon q or p and q. Right here p and q. P and q have only one common factor, and here we are getting that 2 is also common factor of p and q. Now this is contradictory. We will write from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 2 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor of p and q. This is contradictory. This is contradictory. Contradictory means in opposition, जो match ना हो. This is contradictory because we have assumed that p and q have only one common factor. Only they have one as a common factor, and therefore our assumption, this is contradictory, and because we have assumed that only one is the common factor of p and q. This is contradictory. Here we know that 2 is a common factor, but we assume that 1 is the common factor. So this contradiction arises because our assumption is wrong. Therefore our assumption that square root of 2 is a rational number. This is a rational number. It was our assumption, and our assumption that this is a rational number is wrong. Our assumption is wrong, and if our assumption is wrong, then root 2 is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Therefore square root of 2 is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. In this way we have proved that root 2 is an irrational number. Now we know how to show square root of 2, square root of 3, because as square root is an irrational number, we can also prove that square root of 3 or square root of 5 or square root of 7 and so on. All these are two irrational number. ये भी irrational numbers ही हैं. और हमने सीखा है कि नंबर लाइन पे जो कुछ नंबर रेशनल होते हैं, जो जिसमें इंटीजर्स भी होते हैं और फ्रैक्शंस भी होते हैं, तो उन नंबर्स, और हमने ये भी सीखा है कि हाउ टू शो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. हमें मालूम है कि हम पहले ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर रे ड्रॉ करते हैं, एंड फिर ये वन यूनिट है तो 1 यूनिट का डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे भी लेते हैं स्पेन, और इसको ज्वाइन करके बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वी कैन प्रूव दैट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. फिर इन द सेम वे हम रूट 3, रूट 5 वगैरह भी हम प्रूव कर ये शो कर सकते हैं. तो इस नंबर लाइन पे इरेशनल नंबर है, रैशनल नंबर्स हैं और इरेशनल नंबर्स हैं, और इन सब को मिला के कहते हैं कि दीज आर रियल नंबर्स. ऑल दीज आर रियल नंबर्स. दिस ऑन दिस नंबर लाइन every point is an rational number or it is an irrational number, and they are known as real numbers. So every point on a number line is a unique real number, and every real number is associated with a different point on a number line. Now we will understand the decimal form of an irrational number. डेसिमल फॉर्म कैसा होता है इरेशनल नंबर का, तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. विल सी द डेसिमल फॉर्म ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. ये हम देखने वाले हैं कैसा होता है वो. तो वी विल फाइंड द डेसिमल फॉर्म बाय डिवीज़न मेथड. डिवीज़न मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. विल राइट 2 एज 0 2, देन 0.0000 0 will make pairs. Now अब आपको सबसे पहले हमें एक नंबर लिखना है कि इट्स प्रोडक्ट. सपोज आई राइट 1, अगेन वी विल राइट टू 1. जो नंबर लिखेंगे वी विल राइट 3 टाइम्स, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे. वी विल राइट द नंबर 3 टाइम्स. अब व्हाट विल डू इट्स प्रोडक्ट, एंड दैट प्रोडक्ट शुड नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन दिस नंबर. सो इफ़ वी राइट हेयर 2, अगर हम यहाँ पे 2 लिखते हैं तो 2 2s are 4, दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 2, तो वो सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा. सो वी विल राइट हेयर 1, और 1 1s are 1. अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हेयर वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड हेयर वी विल डू एडिशन. सो 2 - 1 इज़ 1 एंड 1 + 1 इज़ 2, तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे. एंड नाउ डेसिमल पॉइंट विल राइट दिस इन द क्वोशंट. नेक्स्ट पेयर इज 0 0. Now this number is 100. Again we have to write here a number so that the product should not be greater than 100, but we have to write the greatest number. ऐसे तो हम 1 भी लिखेंगे तो 21 × 1, that product will be smaller than 100, but हमें बड़ा नंबर लिखना है. So the maximum greatest number that we can write is, can we write here 5? क्या 5 लिख सकते हैं? 25 × 5, this will be 125, तो वो सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा. सो वी विल राइट 4. सो 4 वी विल राइट, अगेन वी विल फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट 24 × 4, दैट इज नंबर प्रोडक्ट इज 96 माइनस एंड प्लस. हेयर सब्ट्रैक्शन, हेयर एडिशन. वी हैव रिटन हेयर 4, सो वी विल ऑल्सो राइट हेयर 4. तो 100 - 96 इज 4 एंड 24 + 4, दैट इज 8. द नेक्स्ट विल अगेन ब्रिंग डाउन द नेक्स्ट पेयर, दैट इज 0 0. Now if we suppose we write here, sorry, the sum 24 plus 4 is 28. Now the next pair is 0 0, the number is 400, here the number is 28. If right here I write here 2, suppose मैं 2 लिखता हूँ तो 282 into 2, this will be more than 500. This will be suppose 36 less than 500, so 464 I think. So this will be 500 and this will be more than 500. The product will be 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and carry 1. This will be 564. Now 564 will be greater than 400. So we cannot write here 2, we will write here 1. हम 1 ही लिख सकते हैं, 1 1 and here also 1. The product 281 into 1 is 281, subtraction and addition. 400 minus 281. So the difference is 119. Difference is 119 and the sum is 282. Now again we will bring down the next pair, that is 0 0 down. Now this number is 11,900. So which number should we write here? तो आप try करिए. I think there will be the number, next number will be 4. So we will write here 4. Now the product, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 4 8s are 32, 3, 8 plus 3 11. So the product is 11,296 and the sum is 2828 and the difference is 11,300, 604. I think the difference is 604. 4 plus 6 10, carry 1, 1 plus 9 10, carry 1, 7 plus 2 9. Right, the difference is 604. Let's carry out this division here. So this is like 604. 604 is the difference. Again we'll write the next pair, that is 0 0 and the sum is here is 2828. Now if we write here 2 here, if we write here 3, suppose अगर हम यहाँ पे 3 लिखते हैं, then the product 28,000 into 3, 28 1s are 28, 28 2s are 56 and 28 3s are 84. That number will be greater than 84,000. So we cannot write here 3, we will write here 2. Now 28,000, 2 into 2 4, 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 5 5. So the product is 56,564. Now the difference, so we'll write here 1, so the difference is 3,836 and the sum is 28,284. Now again we will suppose there are many these, we can बहुत सारे हम ये पेयर्स बना सकते हैं 0 0 के. So because 2 and 2.000 there's no change in the value, so we'll again write 2 zeros. Now this number is 3,38,600 and this number is, suppose I write here 1, this becomes 2,82,841. If we write here 2, the product will be more than 5 lakhs. We cannot subtract, so we will write 1. So if you subtract 1, then you will get 2 lakhs. If you multiply by 1, you will get 2,82,841 and sum is 282,842. Again do the subtraction, again write here 0. So we have written here 1, so we will write here 1. Now if you carry on this division, you will get the quotient 1.4142 and then 1 3 and then 5 6 2 3 7 and so on. This number you will get. Now look at this decimal form. What is the form of this decimal number? This is, it will not terminate. This division will not terminate, means it is a non-terminating number and the numbers are not recurring. कुछ जो ग्रुप है, एक नंबर या नंबर्स का ग्रुप, वो भी रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. सो दिस डेसिमल फॉर्म इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिकरिंग. So we have known the decimal form of an irrational number. The decimal form of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay. And what is the decimal form of a rational number? Decimal form of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating but recurring. वहाँ पे वो terminate नहीं होगा लेकिन recurring होगा. Example, if you take 2/3 then this will be 0.666 and so on. तो या तो वो terminate हो जाएगा या तो वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग बट रिकरिंग होगा, एंड दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग.